say. I have to write it real big.
Hey guys, it's Natalie.
Oh, I'm AC.
Addison. And today we're going to be testing 3 slimes.
Instagram slimes.
Instagram slimes. Fluffy slime for me.
Jiggly slime.
Jiggly slime for her. Regular slime. And regular slime for her. So,
yeah.
Let's get into it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I used Elmer's glue. So I dumped the glue into the bowl. Then I mixed it with a spoon, but I don't know why. Now I'm gonna add borax solution. I put 3 scoops in at a time, and then I'll mix. So I'm gonna mix. So it was like kind of watery, and it didn't come together, so I added more borax. Then I mixed it. So after that, it just became liquid. So I added more glue. Then I mixed that. After done mixing that, I added a ton of borax. Then it started coming together, so I started kneading with my hands. And I saw that it was more sticky, so I added more borax. So then I added more borax. Then I started kneading with my hands. And then I put a ton of borax. So first, I used my Elmer's glue, and by the way, guys, I'm putting my slime in the background. So I poured it in. Now I'm stirring it for no reason. Had to wipe my spoon off. Next, I added my shaving cream. And then I stirred or mixed it. Still mixing it till all it dissolves into the slime, basically. Still stirring it. Now I'm adding my contact solution or my activator. Pouring that in. I've poured some and then I stirred it and it should start coming together. And if it's not really coming together, you can just add more contact solution. So I had to add more because it wasn't really coming together. Now I'm kind of kneading it slowly, but Then I need to add a little bit more contact solution. Maybe. They're gonna add some contact solution while I'm kneading it. So I'm still kneading it there. I'm kneading it so it will come together, and then she added a little more contact solution. And I'm just trying to play with it so it will come together. And yeah. Okay, so first I'm starting off with my glue, and I'm gonna pour in all my glue. And then I mix it in with the water. And then I realized it was too watery, so I had to get more glue in it. So the more water you add, you have to add more glue than water. So you just keep mixing that. I kept mixing it. And then I'm going to grab the borax after I'm done stirring. And by the way, this slime, I do not recommend making it because it is a mess and it just keeps messing with it. The more you mess with it, the more it's messy and it's real sticky. So now I'm just stirring in all the borax and getting it off my spoon, and then just keep stirring it and now playing with it. So now I'm going to stick my hands in there and go and try to find all the slime and all the water and knead it and keep kneading it. Which at the beginning it's really hard to knead, so yeah. And just keep kneading, which it gets real messy, and then you just eventually it's all added in, and then just keep adding borax or keep dipping it into your borax solution, and it'll get all better. And it's real stringy too when you first mix it. So everybody just play with theirs in the outro.
Okay.
You did start it. Okay.
Yeah, I did. Okay, so
Final reviews.
for the final reviews, we can't.
Who
do
started?
that here.
Who started?
Me. Addison.
Addison,
So
what'd
we're
you-
gonna.
So, what do you think about it?
I think that it's regular slime, so like
Kind of hard to mess up.
what did kind of mess up. It's like a little bit stretchy. It's not that jiggly, but it is jiggly.
Because I'm playing with it. I gotta
It's
add
like
borax.
a little bit hard. And I don't recommend making regular slime. Okay, mine. It's fluffy. It's good. It's really
Wait, I have
stretchy.
an idea. How about we do them like alone?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, but I was like,
Alright, delete it. Delete that.
hi, my name is Addison again, and I made the regular slime. Well, like, it's, like, stretchy a little bit, but, like, it's not as stretchy, and if you want your slime stretchy, I would recommend putting lotion. Like, this slime's, like, a little bit hard, so I don't recommend, regular slime at all. But, I mean, it's still good.
Okay, so I was the one that made the regular slime. I made it from Elmer's glue and borax. And it's kind of hard, a little bit stretchy, and like Macy's slime, it kind of gets all over your clothes and it does fling everywhere. So I don't recommend this slime.
Okay, so I was the one who made the jiggly slime. And it's really hard. It's like a mess to play with, because like when you're playing with it, like little spots just like start flinging, like as you can tell, like it hit me in the shirt, like up here and down there, and it's like flings all over the walls. I mean, it's really jiggly, but the more you play with it, the less jiggly it gets. So you might want to like keep adding borax to it if you want it to stay jiggly, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, so I'm the one who made the jiggly slime, and I used Elmer's glue and borax and water, and it was really hard to make because I didn't think it was going to turn out, but then it ended up turning out. But it's real jiggly, but it needs more borax if you want it to stay real jiggly, like this. And it's kind of sticky and it gets stuck to your clothes easily, so yeah, it's all right.
Hey guys, it's Natalie, and I'm the one who made the fluffy slime. And I recommend this because It's stretchy, but if you want it more stretchier, all you have to do is add some lotion. And it's kind of jiggly, which that's cool. Mine's kind of sticky, but I just can add more contact solution. Or you guys can, if you guys did this with borax, you guys can do this with borax, contact solution, and Tide. And I did it with contact solution. So yeah, I really recommend this to all y'all. So
This is Natalie, and I used Elmer's glue, contact solution, and shaving cream, and it turned out pretty good. I love it. So yeah.